Ready?
She has to pee so bad. Alright, ready?
Pee time. We're videotaping her peeing. Say hi, videotape. Hi.
Yo.
What up,
Hey,
yo?
you didn't shut that door. Shut that door out.
How the fuck you take a bone in a barn?
She was. I bet
Look,
she
she got some sort of...
No, you know what? She was
Look at
born in
that
an
on your arm.
elevator.
Look at your elbow.
Fuck.
Oh,
Say hi.
throw some bones.
Throw some D's on that
Don't
bitch.
watch me pee. Is that
Throw some
weird?
D's on that bitch.
Wait, how did we get up there last time?
Dude, fuck it. Go up the steps, bitch.
Fuck it.
Dude, fuck it.
God.
Ah!
I'm so glad that's right. I'm not even kidding.
Oh shit, man.
Somebody left the light on.
I probably did.
What are you doing?
My shoe came off. I just threw some D's on some bitch real fast.
Oh, throw some D. God, you can't even walk up the goddamn stairs, man.
Throw some D's on that bitch. Dude, there's a gas mask. What the fuck? Tiny's about to piss right now. I'm about to join her.
Gave it to you.
I'm joining her eating my pizza.
Let it show.
How nice.
Nice.
So weird.
Look at my strudel, dude. So big and sparkly.
Strudel. I want to suck it. She better hurry the fuck up because I gotta pee now.
Oh, I'll read that.
Tanya, show your ass.
No, dude. Oh.
I don't know what's going on right now.
I do.
But I'm...
But you know